Ki Pulit ke Jylla ke lapen klanya ke Jingwad yu Nongshakno ha kamu kaduma le Beijot kabla register halai mkrap police station da ka bathaw ke special investigation team. OSP ke East Khasi Hills bat Vivek Sim ula ong balapen mi ya ke jingpen bina wat bniah Mizoram bat ha Kylleng kari India ki Pulit kilaya kendu ru ya OSP ke Aizol bat lah tala si ya ke Jakasa jong Nongshakno hindre amshona lap satya yu. Ula pente ba ki Pulit kidang lum ya ki sakhi bat ki jingtho na ki beshade bi jan bat ki weipan ki bala ban ai jingrab ha ki jingto ken ula ken turu ya ki paidbah bakin am saprang ya ki jingte bompat shisha social media USP ula ong ba ki jingthmu ka bahak mat e kalong ban kem yu nong shak no bat hadien kata an sabeteng ya ki jingto ken bat ki jingmudoi kat kong ki kindon jongka.
So, with regard to the rape case which has been registered in Nongkrap, we have actually sent lookout notices to Mizoram, and now we've also sent notices all India to nab the culprit. Team has been set up to actually trace the accused. The victim statement has been recorded. We have come to know that other victims also are there, and they will also be examined in due course of time. Once the accused is arrested and more facts are brought out, we will charge with the case as soon as possible. But right now, the immediate action of the police is to actually cause arrest of the accused.
So that means apart from one victim, there are more victims that have come forward?
We have spoken to some more victims, and but it's just over phone, and we have called them to come and give the statement and the FIR.
So that has been done.
No, that's yet to be done. They have not come yet, but we've spoken on the phone. Media posts, I mean, that is not fact. We are yet to ascertain the veracity of that. So, unless people come forward, even these other two we've got, we are yet to ascertain. I mean, unless they come forward and give their statement and we examine them and get the veracity of their statement, only then can we ascertain that yes, they are victims of this offense.
The police have gone to Aizol.
Police has not gone to Aizol. In fact, I'm in touch with SP Aizol. We have searched this. Aizol police has searched the house of the accused, and he is not there. In fact, from the beginning, only when the social media posts had emerged that he had gone absconding, and we had also come to know from certain sources that he is not there yet. We communicated to SP Aizol to actually conduct search and to look for him, and he's not there in his residence. It is a matter of time only that we will get him. The crowd is just set, so we hope to get him soon.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.